What you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. I don't like your kingdom keys. They once belonged to me. You asked me for a place to sleep. Locked me out and threw a feast. The world goes on another day, another drama. But not for me, not for me. All I think about is karma. And then the world goes on, but one thing's for sure. Lately I got my but you all get yours. What you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Hey guys, LPS Milky Way 383 here. And I bet you're wondering, hey, Milky, how come you aren't using Emily? Well, she is somewhere, but I'm not getting her right now. But anyways, so after kneading and mixing the slime for 5 minutes, I also added some gold color to it. It should look like this. This gorgeous creature right here. Isn't it amazing?